Hi guys, welcome back. I really hope you guys are all doing well and that you are safe. I made another Plan With Me video, so this month is all about pink watercolor combined with Japanese ginkgo leaves. As always, I've made up a sketch of my setup in advance. We're starting off with the cover page. I decided to make an illustration of the moon surrounded by the leaf with a bright and shimmery pink circle in the middle. I am starting with the watercolor. Use a bit of pink and red paint and a lot of water to create the first layer. You want the water to stay on top of the page because I want to blend the regular paint with my rosé golden paint of coliro colors. Carefully dab the paint in a wet circle and let the colors blend. After this, I'm drawing the moon with my Fineliner. I use the Micron with a plastic tip for the outlines and the Micron 0.1 for the details. It doesn't feel finished yet, so I'm adding some paint splatters and sparkles. Write the month at the bottom and tada, your cover page is done. On to the next spread, my monthly overview. I used the same setup as I did last month because I quite like the look of the simple lines. First we are starting with a similar circle as the cover page. Let the colors blend on your paper again. Make sure your paper is coated or really thick, otherwise the water gets sucked right into the paper. While the watercolor is drying, we can set up our monthly. I messed up, by the way. The dates didn't add up at the end. So to fix this, I used a white gel pen to erase the wrong dates. After the white ink has dried, I wrote down the right dates on top of them. next spread is my tracker page. I decided to make a pattern of the pink blobs combined with the Japanese ginkgo leaves for a playful and stylish effect. Again, decide where you want to paint, because I find it very efficient to first paint, let the paint dry and then add the fineliner. I tried this tracker last month and I found it easy to keep track with this page, so for this month I'm using it again. Normally I would make a weekly spread after this, but because of the weird time we are experiencing right now, I am uncertain of what my week will look like. So I decided to first make a brain dump page. This is where I can jot down all my ideas, nice quotes and other thoughts. I really enjoy making these pages because they are quite decorative. As soon as I make a weekly spread, you can find it on my Instagram. I chose for a pink circle in the bottom on the left and added a border with my fineliner that results into a regular leaf. Some ginkgo leaves for decoration and my brain dump page is done. That's it guys, the video is a bit shorter than the other plan with me, but I hope you still enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please ask them below. If you liked the video, please hit the like button or subscribe. And if you want to see more, check out my other videos or look me up on Instagram at Dutch_dots. Hope to see you next time. Bye guys!